Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a super exciting Shein haul. I did pick up a lot of like skincare gadgets and hair gadgets and also some other little gadgets that I've been seeing all over social media. They're super popular, so I was like, you know what, I have to pick up some of these items that are really cool and viral. With that being said, this video is in collaboration with Shein, so a big thank you to Shein for sending all of these pieces to me. And I do want to mention that I will have everything linked in the description box and also in the comment section. And with that being said, let's get right into it. I'm gonna start off first with this little cute vacuum. This one, they call it the desktop mini vacuum. It looks like this. They do come in multiple colors, but I did get in the white color. It does have the power button right here. It also comes with the little vacuum cleaner. This one was only $4.90, and like I said, I got it in the color white, but they do also have really cute like pastel colors. It looks like this, and I know I've seen this everywhere, but I've been wanting to get this for my desk because I do have a working desk that I constantly use, and I thought this was super cute. To throw away the trash, you just twist this like so, throw the trash, and you can reuse it. The power button's right here, and you just click it and you clean it like so. I absolutely love this gadget. I think it's such a cool little vacuum for your desktop. It is really cute. If you're a clean freak like me, I think you definitely need to pick this up. It is amazing. On to another viral piece that I feel like everybody's talking about all over social media, and I've talked about these before, but I did not know that Shein has this. Shein never ceases to amaze me. So the next item is called the 7-color LED face mask light. I got in the color white. This is $17.24. I think this is probably like the most affordable LED face mask that I've seen on the market. I got in the white, but it also comes in this gorgeous like orange and blue. Since these pieces I am showing you as I'm opening them up, I will also show you on the side screen how it works, and if it works I will note it somewhere here because I am showing you as I'm opening them. So here is the mask, and it looks like this. And I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this all over social media. It does have the strap right here where you attach it, and it is rechargeable. So whenever the battery runs out, just know it is rechargeable. I like the fact that this is rubber and soft around your eyes, so it doesn't hurt your eyes. And this is actually the on button. So to turn it on, it turns on like so. Let me show you guys. So this is the red light. And it does have 7 different light features for whatever you're looking for. So to use it, you just put it on like so. Very comfortable. I have to say, it doesn't hurt my head. I was afraid of it being plastic that this will hurt, but it's super comfortable. Really nice. I love it. And then let me see. There you go. I pressed it again and now it is green. So it's basically different colors, and each color has a purpose, and it does give you like this little instruction manual. Basically let you know what the light, what the different lights are for. If you are looking for an LED face mask at a really affordable price, you might want to try this out. I have used face masks in the past before, and I still own them. I have them and I love them. I use it every single day, and these truly are amazing. They really do work. I like the fact that it has different lights for different purposes. So if you're looking for something like this, you might want to try it out. It's only $17. Turn it off. I just want to show you guys quickly. It's so easy to use. You just hold it down like so, and it turns off after about like 3 seconds. Quickly want to read you the benefits that it says on the box. So the benefits of this LED face mask, it says that it gives you really beautiful soft skin, sterilization, acne, it balances your grease or your oils, it firms your skin, repairs skins, contractive pores, and proliferated collagen. So basically it produces collagen. This truly is a game changer. If you want to step up your skincare routine, you need to get yourself an LED face mask. On to a really cool product that has been on my wish list, and I'm so glad I picked this up. This one is called the CRASTS Star Hair Curling Wand, and it is in the color pink. I got it in the 9mm. It is only $10.50. This has been trending all over social media. I've seen so many people do their hair with like the smallest wand like this, and their hair looks so darn cool. So I was like, you know what, I have to try this because I love trying out different like curling hair techniques, and this one was very interesting to me. Every single time I see a girl curl her hair with this style wand, it looks so amazing. So I was like, I have to try it on. So of course I'm going to show you guys how it looks on the side. This one is really cool. It does say it's a professional curling iron. Let's open it up and I can show you guys. They do have this in different sizes. There is also the one in the 16 and the 26, but like I said, I wanted to get the one in the 9. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so cool. I'm not kidding you. I was so tempted of purchasing one of these, but I'm so glad I waited. So this is how it looks, and the wand is really small. So you basically curl your hair as you usually do with all curling wands. It does have 2 different levels, so you can put it to low or higher. It does have a really nice, pretty long cord, which is nice, and I like the fact that it already comes with this where you can wrap it back up together so you don't have a big tangled mess. I do have a lot of different curling wands, so I like the fact that it keeps it nice and clean. And I have to say the pink is just adorable. It does have 2 other sizes that are a little bit bigger. Do you see that? On to another item that I also own, but I wanted to pick up another one for my daughter. It is called the Oral Irrigation. It is basically a portable water flosser. I have it in the color white, mint, and pink, but I did get it in the color white. This is only $12, and I am so excited to try this. I use mine every single day, so the fact that they have this is really, really cool. So I got this in the white, like I said, and this is rechargeable. Open it up, you just twist this and take it out. Basically just put the water in here. It does give you a line right here where you have to stop, and I absolutely love this. Like I said, I use this every day. They do give you different heads, so this is like the regular style head. This one is like more to get more in between the gums. This one is for your tongue if you want to clean the tongue. And here's another one that has like bristles on it. So it does have different styles, and whenever the battery goes low, you can use the charger to recharge it. And this is where you charge it. You just put it in here to charge. This thing is so good. It's like nothing you ever tried before. If you want the best like dentist feel clean teeth and gums, you need to get this. To turn it on, it does have like this power button right here. And it does have 3 different levels. There's weak, strong, and pulse. This is the weak, and then if you hold it down, this is strong, and then if you hold it down again, this is pulse. I usually like the strong one. To turn it off, you just press it once, and it turns off like so. This is a must-have. If you want your hygiene on point, you need to pick this up. On to another wish list item. A lot of these are wish list items because they're viral pieces and they're items that I've seen online, so I was like, I have to pick it up. So it is this cool little, they call it a portable electric scalp massager. I like to oil my head before I shower, and I use a scalp massager, but that one is a manual scalp massager. But this is an electric scalp massager, so it pretty much does all the work for you. Got this in the color white, and it's only $11.25. To turn it on, you just press it down right here, and they start moving around like that. Basically just move this around your head. I like to use this for about 5 minutes because it does stimulate hair growth, and oh my gosh, it feels so good on. I don't want to put it on my hair right now because I have it brushed, but oh my gosh, it feels so good. The batteries charge. You see that little green light right here, and once it's low battery, it will turn red. And then hold it down for about 3 seconds and it turns off. I was so close to getting this. I wanted this so badly, and I really am glad that I picked it up. It is rechargeable. If you are wanting to regrow your hair, guys, you really need to get yourself a scalp massager. It is a game changer. Instead of manually massaging your head, this is doing the work for you, so you don't have like a sore hand. And I usually do that a lot of times when I'm like using the scalp massager. By the time I'm done, my hand is so sore. With this, it is so affordable, and it does the work for you. Another cool product that I picked up, I actually picked this up for my toddler, is an electric toothbrush. It looks like this, and it has like a cute little unicorn, and it does give you different heads, which I really appreciate. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is rechargeable, so when the battery is going low, you can recharge it. It does have this right here where you can open it up right here and you can recharge it. So I appreciate that. It does have this right here where you could close it so no water goes inside. She wanted in the color purple. They do have it in different colors. This is only $6.20 and it is adorable. So to turn it on, you just press it down. And do you hear that? It vibrates and it gives her a really nice clean, and it also makes it more fun for kids to, you know, brush their teeth. This is a light up toothbrush. I don't know if you guys can see because I do have a lot of light, but I'll show you guys on the side. It has a light right here. It lights up right here, which is really cool. It does have different levels. It is so adorable. If you're looking for some really fun toothbrushes for your child, this is really cute. I love it. And the fact that it's rechargeable, you don't have to worry about, you know, buying new batteries. Next item is another wish. I think honestly, all of them are wish list item, but it is this. It's called the Rechargeable Callus Remover. I got it in the color white and it is only $11.14. And if you want to have your feet on point, you need to get yourself a callus remover. I tend to wear a lot of like sandals. My feet get really dry. This I thought was perfect. It looks like this, and it comes with this pumice right here. It does also have a 2 refillable pumice heads. So it has this one, and then it has another one that's similar like this. It does have the little brush to clean it off, and you can recharge this, which is great. To turn it on, you just press it down, and then it just literally, you know, removes all the dry skin and callus. It does tell you how much power is left on this. So right here it says 75%. Look how powerful this thing is. This is the stronger level. And then to turn it off, you just hold it down. This is a game changer. You can actually use wet or dry. The cool thing about this is that it says that the vacuum dust collection system removes the dead skin and dander, so that way it will not fly around. Last product is also something that I've been wanting to try out. This is called the Intense Pulse Light Wrinkles Reducing Instrument. So let me show you guys how it looks. Pretty sure you guys seen this online. It says that it's an intense pulse neck and face light instrument. I got it in the color white, and this was $9.49. So it looks like this, and I've also seen girls use this, especially in the morning, where they use this on their face right here, on your forehead, and also on your neck. To turn it on, it has this power button right here. And then it turns on like that. It does have like that red light therapy. It does give you like an instruction manual. It does let you know how to use it. They do have 3 different modes with different energy levels. So the first one is called the clean, which the clean mode can clear the pores and keep your skin clean and glowing. The EMS mode can relax your skin, help your skin absorb skincare products, and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. And the hot mode can tighten the sagging skin and promote collagen production, thus rejuvenating your skin. If you want to change it, you just press it and it will, see this? This is the green light, and then this is the other one. This is blue light. And this is the purple light, which is a mixture of blue and red. Just really excited about these products. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, God bless. And as we say in Romanian, la revedere.